Hello partner, we are very happy to inform you that we are launching the Bharat 22 ETF. Bharat 22 ETF is an interesting combination of SOOTY stocks like Larsen & Toubro, ITC and Axis Bank, along with strong fundamental companies belonging to public sector. So the index has a lot of interesting characteristics that there is no individual sector which is more than 20%. Even if a sector turns out to be more than 20%, there will be an auto change every year in March where we bring down the index to below 20%, that particular sector. Similarly, if there is a stock which ends up at being more than 15% of the index, that is also likely to be sold off in March. So this turns out to be some kind of a profit booking in all the sectors and stocks which have done well. That's a very unique characteristic of this index. The other part of the index is it has very wide diversification. So we have a consumer stock like ITC, we have banking stocks, we have power utility stocks, we have metal stocks, we have gas stocks. We have all kinds of sectors which are there in the fund, which makes it a truly diversified fund. At this point of time, when the markets are where they are, we have always been much more positive on large cap, because large cap, which tends to do well in the second half of any investment cycle and is also defensive, given the fact that most institutional investors like to buy large caps. So given the timing of the markets, we think that the Bharat 22 at this point of time is a very interesting investment opportunity. The government is offering 3% discount also on the traded price of the stocks during the offer period. So we are looking forward to your investments and also the investments from many new first-time investors. The issue is closing on 17th November. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.